What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to manage your debit and credit cards on WorldRemit. So I'm gonna teach you everything you need to know about those two types of cards in this amazing money transfer platform. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on so you stay alerted whenever we post another awesome tutorial. So as you can see, you can send money using debit, credit or prepaid cards. So basically, can I pay by card in my send country? To check if they accept card payments in your country of residence, click on the region below. As you can see, we are having Africa, Americas, Asia, Australia, New Zealand, Europe and Middle East. What card types are accepted? We are having Amex, Diners Card and Union Pay. So WorldRemit can accept most type of cards, so card, credit and prepaid cards that are issued by Visa or MasterCard. At this time, WorldRemit cannot accept cards from the following issues, as I said, Amex, Diners Card and Union Pay. So why was your card declined? So if your card declines, the best thing to do is contact your card issuer's payment or authorization department, who will be able to give you more info. So are there any extra fees for paying by card? So when paying by debit card, there are usually no extra fees other than those stated at the time of the payment. However, there are some exceptions. So if you use a card issued in a country other than that which you're registered, so basically your card issuer may charge a foreign exchange fee. Can I pay using someone else's card? So they need the money you send to come from your own card. So overall, those are some of the questions involving credit and debit cards. And also, if you want to link your bank account or credit card, select bank account and you will be directed to your bank login so that you can enter these details safely in order to authorize your payment. Once you have logged in, you will be able to select the account from which you would like to pay. So how to add a debit card? It's basically the same process. So why is it not accepting? You need to contact your card issuer. So basically those are some of the issues regarding credit cards and debit cards. So hopefully this video was helpful to you. So as always, thank you so much for watching and see you in our next video. Goodbye.